Hi. This is a little end table that we picked up yesterday. Sometimes we get into a furniture emergency where we have furniture overload. So while I'm sanding this piece and getting it started, Jim's gonna be still working on the hutch, and we'll have two pieces going at once. So with that said, I'm gonna see what this baby's got underneath this. Very well worn, and we're just gonna give it some love and tender loving care. It's gonna get loud. Okay, so I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful. What I didn't explain to you before was I'm using an 80 grit sandpaper and the orbital sander so that it has more bite to it and it just takes all this yuck off. And the tabletop itself, there's some little black marks, and I believe that's stain that's down into the grain. So I'm going to have to sand down below that to get that smooth finish. But I think it's going to be actually really pretty. With this piece, I'm thinking, and I could change my mind, that we're going to do everything below this top in a very light gray. And then on the top itself, we're going to do a stain, probably hickory. So that's where we're at so far. Starting to get a little dark, so we're going to clean up and we'll get back at it tomorrow.
Smooth.
Not enough O's and smooth.
Not enough O's and smooth. Okay, everyone, so here's our final project. After we finished painting, we brought it in and staged it, and I just wanted to talk to you a couple of minutes about this. This is a really simple project, and I wanted to look at the numbers real quick and explain to you our thoughts. The numbers kind of run down like this. Our cost on this was zero. It was a porch pickup from Facebook Marketplace. They were giving it away free. We only spent about $10 in materials, and we're going to be listing it for $50, which gives us a potential profit of $40. Now, while that might not seem like a lot, you have to remember that we only put in about an hour's worth of work on this. So anytime that we can come out with $30 an hour or better, we feel we did good. So on this one, it's a $40 profit for about an hour's work. And, if you were to do, say one of these each day, if you had a simple one to do like this among your bigger projects, you'd be talking an extra $200 a week if you did this 5 days a week. And that's an extra $10,000 a year. So don't, turn your back on some of these little smaller projects. Not only that, but a lot of these less expensive items like this will keep your cash flow coming in and money coming in while you're waiting for your bigger projects to sell. So these are great little projects to do. They're a lot of fun. They don't take much time, and you can do some really cool things with them. So let's take a look at the final project as we staged it and see how it all turned out.